Hello everyone. Quick unboxing from Brownells. I don't usually do many of these, but I've got something in here that I actually can't use. Well, I could use it, but I'm not. I ordered a Reading concentricity gauge. The problem is, it's misleading. It's actually a neck thickness gauge. I'll show it to you here in a minute. I have to send it back because I ain't spending $100 for a check neck thickness on a piece of brass. For $40 I can get probably 45 or 60. I can get a RCBS ball micrometer to check the brass. So I'll go ahead and show that. This is what I'm talking about. This, even though it says it does check concentricity by checking the thickness of the neck only. So I'm not gonna, that's going back to Brownells. Excuse me, I don't need it. I've got a 308 bushings Reading. I was gonna do L.E. Wilson. These were a few dollars more. These are for 308. They're steel. It's for my Reading Type S bushing die in 308. So there's one bushing, size 334. And size 332. I got size 336, 0.336. It's back ordered, so actually I ain't no sense in showing you part numbers because it's got a long list. You can go online and figure it out. It's not that hard. So this is returning. It'll be taken back. And I got, throw that down, one of these. 308 Reading instant indicator. Fantastic piece of equipment. Okay. And there's your dial. This is part number 17155, 308 Winchester by Reading. Instant indicator gauge. You get that. It checks your shoulder semi-spec, shoulder bump back, checks your overall cartridge length, which is just the brass with an adapter in here. And then it checks also your ogive depth seating on the press here. I use it on the turret because single's too much trouble. And that's about it. I'll try to get this uploaded as soon as I can. So that's an unboxing, a quick one. You all have a good day. Comment, feel free to comment. Have a good one.